Hello, and welcome to the Verona Sky Suite here at the Westgate, Las Vegas. This is a 15,000 square foot penthouse and will be my home for the night. But before we show you this beautiful room, let's go downstairs and show you the special elevator that brings you up here. So down here amongst the elevators is a private elevator only for the penthouse guests. And my favorite part, wait for it. It comes with a bench. So over here we have number 1, the Versailles. Then we have the Tuscany. And then we have here our home for the night, the Verona. So it's time for a proper room tour. So let's get ready, set, go.
Obsession, obsession, obsession. Obsession, obsession, and obsession. Yup. As long as I a treasure lent me from obsession, obsession.
And yeah, this room is so freaking big. Like, I can't emphasize enough. It's just ridiculous. This room tour, me walking around with my camera, took me over 17 minutes. 17 minutes just to show you a hotel room. Let's continue. So essentially, this hotel room is made up of 3 gigantic hotel suites combined in one. They all have massive bathrooms. I mean, look at this one. Dual sinks, dual showers, dual tubs, and you have so much more. It's actually ridiculous. And all the rooms basically have this as well, although they're a little bit different in each one, which you'll see. Something about this hallway just really gets me. I love this hallway entrance to this particular room. we have the pool. It's private, it's outdoors, and it's the centerpiece to this amazing hotel room. It's my favorite part of the hotel room. It has 3 access points, which is awesome. So there's so many ways to pop in, pop out. I mean, come on, how cool is that? Moving on to the living room once again, here is the bar, which actually is a pretty good size, a lot of seats. And one thing I didn't mention, there is just a bunch of different sculptures around this hotel room. Obviously, there's a lot of beautiful artwork and murals on the ceilings and on the walls as well, but there's definitely a lot of these sculptures everywhere, it seems, which is pretty cool. So as we finally wind down this tour, I hope this walkthrough gave you at least somewhat of an understanding and idea of what this room is. Obviously, there's a lot to this massive room, a lot of intricate little details that I don't know will come through effectively through video, but for the most part, hopefully you get an idea. Let's move on from the tour.
Alrighty, so it's about 9:30 right now. We just got back from dinner, and now we got to figure out the plan. My original plan was to just hang out in that pool and have some fun, but unfortunately the heater's broken and we can't enjoy it. It's too cold.
So I thought. Fast forward a few hours later.
Okay, so it is about midnight and it's raining outside, it's cold, and I dare Lewis to jump in the pool and he's about to do it.
It's so cold. Yo, what's up? This is Lewis, and this is the Verona Sky Suite Cold Plunge.
Let's get it.
See you on the other side.
Let's go.
Where's the towel at?
Good morning. I cannot tell you how cool it is to wake up to that view. Pool view. Insane, beautiful Vegas view. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That's just insane. It's just insane. So Lewis's room is right to the left as soon as you walk in. And so right here, that's his room. I'm gonna knock on it, see if he opens up. Just a window right here from his room. into the entranceway. See this? So I thought this was interesting. This right here, that's turf in there, but I'm assuming this used to be a water fountain. I wonder when they switched it up. Obviously easier to maintain with the turf, and also looks pretty nice, but man, having the water fountain would have been sick. I also love these pillars. Like, can you just imagine these giant pillars in your hotel room? It's insane. Alright, so I just want to end this video by thanking the Westgate for hooking me up with this room and giving me the ability to show it to you guys. This was awesome. And then last time I stayed here, I stayed at the Tuscany Sky Villa, which was also amazing, and I made a video on that one. But if you are interested in staying at the Westgate, they have some amazing standard rooms. If I wasn't super fortunate and lucky enough to be comped this insane Sky Villa room, I would be staying at one of these guys, and they certainly are pretty awesome. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks again to the Westgate for hooking it up, and have a good day. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.